Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Now the unboxing is going to be of this motherboard that I've been wanting to get, and I have a plan to use this motherboard, but unfortunately the processor, or it's not that I can't find it, it's right now it's a little bit too overpriced. So I'm still waiting for the price to go right ahead and drop, but nonetheless, the motherboard that I'm going to be unboxing is this B450 AORUS M gaming motherboard. So let's go right ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, so let's take a look. Here we go. We have the motherboard itself. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package. Here we have the motherboard. So as you can see, we do have 4 DIMM slots right here, 24-pin power. We have some SATA cables right here, so we have 2 in the side, and then we have another 4 here. Okay, so right here in this corner we do have the F panel, the USB 3.0 header, of course the 2 USB headers here. Let's see, TPM header here as well. Over here it looks like we do have some RGB headers right here. We have the coma header here, LPT. We have, let's see, it looks like this is I'm not exactly sure what this would be. But we have the F audio header. If we keep on going up, of course we do have, of course, the M.2. It's not really put in there too tightly, but yeah, we do have that for an M.2 drive. Of course, this is a micro ATX motherboard, so we do have, of course, X16 as well as X1 PCI Express port. I believe this is a PCIe 4. And of course we do have the heatsink right here, and we have the 8-pin CPU power. Oh, I forgot. So we also have some system fans. So we have this one over here on this side. We have the CPU fan here, and then we have an additional one over here, as well as it looks to be like another LED header for your LEDs. All right, for the connections in the back, so we do have the USB Type 2.0. Of course, we do have the legacy keyboard and mouse connection, a DVI connection, HDMI. We do have 4 USB Type 3.0s here. I believe this is actually a 1 gig NIC here. And we do have 2 USB 3.1s here. And of course we do have the inputs for audio. Looking at the back of the board, so it doesn't look like there is a slot for another NVMe drive here. So there we go. So that is the board itself. Let's go ahead and see what other goodies we get. Alright, so this is what we also get. So we get 2 SATA cables, back I/O plate with the AORUS logo on it. You get a little AORUS badge here. We get a screw, as well as it looks like a little riser. So this might be for the M.2 if you're going to be mounting one. And of course we get the user manual. And I believe it comes with a CD DVD for all the drivers that you'll need. Alrighty, everybody, so that is the end of this unboxing. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.